Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize KYC on Coinbase for crypto investing. Complete guide step by step clearly. To begin the KYC authorization process on Coinbase, visit the Coinbase website or open the mobile app. Log into your existing account or create a new account if you don't have one. After logging in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the notification or prompt indicating that KYC verification is required. Click on the prompt or visit the settings section to find the identity verification option. You will be presented with the steps required for KYC verification. Enter your personal details, including your full name, date of birth, and residential address. Make sure the information matches the details on your official identification. Next, upload your government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license. Ensure the entire ID is clearly visible and all text is readable. In some cases, Coinbase may ask for a secondary form of identification. Follow the instructions carefully to provide any additional documentation if required. Once you have uploaded your ID, you may need to take a selfie for verification purposes. Position your face within the frame indicated on the screen. Make sure your lighting is good and your face is fully visible. After submitting your selfie, review all provided information for accuracy. If everything looks correct, submit your KYC application. Coinbase may take some time to review your application. You will receive a notification once your KYC verification is complete. In case of any issues, check the email associated with your account for further instructions. If additional information or documentation is requested, follow their directions promptly. Once verified, you will gain access to all the features available on Coinbase for crypto investing. Keep an eye on your account for any further requirements or updates. With the KYC process complete, you can start your crypto investing journey on Coinbase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.